Add 1 cup of flour. Then add a cup of water and mix well. Add some dish soap. Mix all ingredients until well blended and set aside. Using your grater, grate your chalk until it is in powder form. Make sure you have paper towels in hand because this can be a little messy. Afterwards, put all of your chalk powder into your mixing bowl. Mix in your chalk powder with all your ingredients until it is all blended together. Using a funnel, transfer your ingredients into a bottle. If you don't have a funnel at home, it's okay because I made my own. I used a piece of paper and some tape. Now you can go outside and enjoy your puffy chalk paint. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed.